In this video, I will be reviewing Infinite Beacon, a rising link in bio tool that's been gaining attention in 2025. So first, Infinite Beacon lets you create a customizable landing page where you can house all your important links, whether it's your social media, products, YouTube videos, or payment pages. It's designed to be clean, responsive, and fast, which is a big plus for mobile users. The platform offers unlimited links, custom branding in your own domain, and built-in analytics to track engagement. It's free to get started, but there's also a pro plan that unlocks deeper customization and removes branding. Still very budget friendly compared to competitors. Setting up is easy, no coding needed. You can build a full page in under 10 minutes with their drag and drop editor. Everything feels smooth and intuitive, especially if you're new to this kind of platform. Overall, Infinite Beacon delivers simple yet powerful way to manage your online presence without paying a ton. It may not have all the bells and whistles of bigger platforms like Linktree, but it nails the essentials and does it well for creators on a budget or for anyone who wants a clean and effective link hub.